My name is Carrickesh, and today I'm going to introduce you a new feature of our MetaDefender Vault product, which is called Vault to Vault. The feature is meant to help with the automated data transfer between two networks, between the, let's say, IT and OT network, and I'm going to switch to our website. You can find this diagram under Solutions, Crossdomain solution, and the diagram here is going to show an ideal case of data transfer between network A, which let's consider this as an IT network, and network B, which is the OT network. So networks with different security levels. There's a need to move data from IT to OT for reasons like OS patches or any third-party application patching in the secure network. The data transfer can also be happening through a data diode, which we support. We recently published a data diode guide, and you can check on the left-hand side in the same part of the website. And let's quickly look at how the setup looks like and how we can actually implement this. Here on the left-hand side, let's consider this my main MetaDefender Vault, where I upload the files, and on the right-hand side, it's a remote Vault installation running on a different network, which is going to only receive the clean files after they've been processed here. So this is the target network, and this is the IT network, let's say. From a configuration perspective, all I have to do is go to Settings, Vault to Vault, and here I enable Vault mirroring. I have to add the IP, the schema of the secondary Vault, the API key, which I can easily generate on the second Vault under Settings API keys, and I would choose to only transfer allowed files. So I'm just gonna go to processing history on both systems, so you have a good look here. There's no files, so I would just upload 2 files. The first file, it's a sample of the agent Tesla malicious string, and the secondary file, it's a clean file, but the reason I've chosen this file is because it's an example of steganography. The reason for that is essentially we use the metadata in this image to hide a PDF, and you can easily see that by just opening the file with an archiver tool. Now, this is not the PDF itself, the image. It's a JPEG file, as you can see here. But this is a very simple example of a very common attack that's meant to bypass existing security controls. So I'm just going to select both files. Since this zip file is password protected, I'm just going to insert the password here. Just going to add the password. You can see the icon here, and I'm just going to say upload. Now both files would get uploaded, they get processed. What's important here to notice is that the second file will get sanitized, so only the sanitized version of this file will actually end up here. And we can easily see that by just looking at the name of the file. So though this is the file that I've uploaded, and the processing should have finished already. You can see the first file got blocked because it's infected. The second file got sanitized in the main Vault, and if I refresh here, it should already be in the secondary MetaDefender Vault. I would be able to see it here. So you see the file is here. I can easily download the file in my target network and use it. What's very, very important here is that this process is as simple as you see here, and it's very easy to set up. Thank you.